Want to update website text faster than you can tweet about your favorite cat video? Let's dive into how to edit text on a web page directly through GitHub. Perfect for quick changes and collaborative content updates. Our first step is forking the repository. Think of this like making a copy of the website's code. Click the fork button located in the top right corner of the page that you are on. Once forked, navigate through the file structure until you find the file containing the text you want to change. This is usually an HTML file, but it could be another file type, such as Markdown. It is important to locate the right file before editing. Now, open the file you want to edit. Click the pencil icon, which you'll find near the top right of the window. This means that you're going to edit that file. Scroll through the content until you find the exact text you want to alter. Carefully make your desired changes. After you've made your edits, it's time to commit them. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. There will be a section where you can provide a brief description of your changes. This is a good practice for keeping a log of what changes you make and why you make them. Finally, propose your changes by creating a pull request. This is the official request to the original website owners to consider your changes. Click the button that says Propose Changes or Create Pull Request or something similar. This allows them to review your modifications before they go live. And that's it. You've successfully edited website text to GitHub.